Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla. That generation here from year 2013 to year 2019, if you have one of those. If you need to find where the fuel pump relay is located, you may have up to 3 relays depending, different places depending on the year, model and engine. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. What's important guys, to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the fuel pump guys relay, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes in that car, okay? And today we'll be working mainly in one. The fuse box that we need is under the hood. So if we open the hood on that Toyota Corolla, facing the engine on the right side, you have that fuse box. Okay, open the cover. That's the main engine fuse box that we have a layout that will look like this one right here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. For the fuel pump, that includes fuel injectors, fuel pump, fuel injection system, you may have up to 3 different relays that you will need to check. By the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, fuel pumps for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you will not waste your money and time. Here guys, okay, the first relay that we need to check, okay, you may or may not have this one, will be relay number 2. It will be right here next to that relay. Next, you need to check relay number 7, right there. That's very important relay. And some of you guys, okay, may have a relay next to these fuses right here, depending if you have a different engine, okay, especially in Europe, okay, if you have it, it will be right there. But the main one for the US is right here, guys, and you may have one here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.